Alrighty guys, well we are finally back.
It's been how long?
Yeah, it's been a few months. Our apologies. It's weather. I had another kid. Let's see, we both got new dailies. Mine has some issues at the moment, so we've
financial stuff as well.
Yeah. It's life has definitely been coming at us for sure. So we apologize for that. In retrospect to getting you guys content, but we're back. New seals are on the injectors, and we're finally ready to get them in. So, if there's anything else from you, we're gonna get to it.
No, let's get straight to it.
Let's do it. All right, guys. So first things first, we're gonna go ahead get the the primaries, the first set of injectors in, which is the bottom of the injector. As soon as I can grab this gasket here that I dropped, there we go. So we're gonna go ahead and get the injectors in now. Move that back in a second. Okay. So I'm gonna slide it whole and then stepped up. Okay. Very finicky.
You're on.
I think, yep, there we go. Now I'm on both. Try to put it this way. There we go. Okay.
Got the bottom of the manifold in. Let's get her started. Lift some of these things out of the way.
It's crazy having to relearn this thing because it's been
3-4
months. It's been a minute.
Yeah, we're sorry again, guys, but
yeah. Life.
Yep.
Life.
Wish it was easier.
Oh, life. Right. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this into place here. Here, take the light real quick, Andy, and just hold it this direction for me. Right up the throttle cable later. Oh, off, that's fine. What is holding me up right now? Nice, there we go. Okay, yeah, it was stuck on something. Okay, that goes there. This goes here. This goes here. I'm gonna get that one. This is gonna be after we do the bolts. It's there, yep. And then this hose is gonna go here. The one thing about these hoses being kind of brittle is they hold their shape, so it's really easy to see what lines up to what.
Mm-hmm.
Just very nice indeed.
Very nice.
Very nice, very nice. This one in, and she threads. This one in, and she threads. This one in. threads. Okay. That's not. All these are 12s. So there. And it's gonna go there. As soon as I got this on, guys, we're gonna migrate over to the other side, and we're gonna get the secondary fuel rail on. All right, well, I'm gonna go ahead and get these tightened up, and then we're moving on to the injectors. These are the 10s. A little more light over here, dude. There we go. And then let me get the 10 mil on the ratchet, please.
The 10's right there.
10 mil ratchet, perfect. All right, fuel rail.
Okay.
Injectors are here. Fuel rail is here. Cool. Right. So one thing I like about the secondaries, the top ones, is they kind of snug in. The bottom ones, you have to like hold them in place while you bolt it down because there's just way too much wiggle room in play. So this is going to go ahead. Indy, light. You good? Okay, cool. So that's going to go there. Now it's 2 12s for this guy. Just these. Oh, this is one of them, I believe. There we go. Okay. Yeah, so that's one of them. There's the other one.
That's what I just said. I think.
No.
Oh.
Those are 12s. 12 back on. They're both threaded perfect, so we're good on that. Okay.
There we go. How are they looking in there?
They're fine. Alright everyone, so we got basically the fuel rail back together. We had some issues with the hoses that took a little bit of time, so we had to deal with it off camera. But the secondary fuel rail is now in, ready to go. The injectors look good, everything looked good. We got all the hoses attached. Well, we were supposed to be getting the throttle body back on right now. However, we noticed an immense amount of guck and rust through definitely one, but most likely a couple of its kind of inlets and outlets for the vacuum lines and whatnot. We just don't want to be pumping rust through this thing.
Yeah.
So we're going to go ahead and close this out as episode 10, part 1. And we're going to get some stuff to clean this thing out. We'll probably end up pulling it apart, maybe making a short about that. I know, Indy, you said tomorrow you're probably going to tackle getting some stuff to take care of that.
Yeah, I'm doing my best to see if I can find something to clean that out.
Yeah, and this guy's pretty solid with finding stuff. Found just about everything we need for this car, so. Yeah, so to close it out, guys, once again, we apologize for the limited amount of content lately.
Yeah.
Life's been crazy.
The hiatus, so to speak.
Exactly. But yeah, this is the end of part 1, and to be continued.
We hope to see you guys soon.
Alrighty.
Take care.